Alright, so what we're doing today, we're in a area with well-known mineralization. These parts have never been staked by any company or individual. So what we're doing is we're doing a little grassroots prospecting and just seeing if there's anything here. Looking at all the outcrops, trying to find anything with any kind of oxidization, mineralization, something that will catch our eye. So far all we've found is a quartz vein which dives down at about 40 degrees and underneath the overburden. So we'll see if we can uncover a few more meters of this, and then we'll probably give up on it if it's got nothing, and then we'll continue on and see if we can find anything else. So that last quartz vein was barren. We didn't find anything on it. There's another smaller quartz vein here which is a little patch of pyrite mineralization, but it doesn't appear that this is very big, and I don't even think it's worthwhile to take a sample from here. Looks like it's an isolated quartz vein. So we're going to continue on and see what else we can find. Alright, so we just happen to have our pan with us, so you can see all this schistose rock, and there's some oxidized quartz veins going throughout this whole thing. So we're just going to see if there's any free mill gold in here and do a quick pan. You can see already right there a couple of rocks with pyrite mineralization, some chalcopyrite on that as well. So you got definite black sands. There's some sulfides in there. A lot of sulfides. Don't see any gold, but the fact that there's some magnetite, hematite, pyrite and chalcopyrite in there, maybe some pyrrhotite as well, that's definitely a good sign that we're getting close. Alright, so we've moved over to another part of our mineral property, and we're going to be sampling this old mine dump here. We have a bunch of exposed solid mineral veins, as well as we have some solid mineral in the old dump. So we're going to be sampling both of those, as well as we're going to head to another mineralized outcrop after this. see what we can get out of it. Okay, so you can see a piece of solid mineral here. Looks like it's mainly pyrite, but we're going to take a sample because we are in an area with a lot of hydrothermal veins and a couple old VMS deposits, so we're going to be sampling a bunch here and seeing if the old timers left anything. Okay, so we're just at the next showing. You can see there's a couple kinds of mineralization, pyrite and chalcopyrite mineralization, both found in quartz veins, quartz feldspar, and you got some schistol in there. So you can see the mineral is as a solid vein basically, and then you can see farther down here it's in disseminations in this rock. So we're going to sample here as well, see what comes out of here. You can see the heavily oxidized rock from your oxides, and the yellowish kind of staining is from your sulfides. So we've chased this vein a little bit, and it extends up quite a bit. You can see the vein is probably about 30 centimeters, 20 to 30 centimeters thick, and then it kind of dives down under this overburden here. So we'll take a few samples, see if this is worthwhile to chase and expose some more, maybe pull out some material. Otherwise we will not do anything further here. Looks like there's a little bit of quartz amongst it too, so it's not quite a solid mineral vein, but it's mostly mineral. Alright, so it's getting pretty late, so we're gonna pack her in for prospecting tonight. We've been at it for about 10 hours now and it's getting dark, so hope everyone enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for part 2. We're gonna continue to prospect this claim tomorrow and see what we can find. So hope everyone stays tuned for that, and thanks for watching. If you want to support us on Patreon, head over www.patreon.com/911mining. Your support helps us make extra content as well as fun surprises for all our patrons, so head on over there, and again, thanks for watching and supporting us.